So let's start the next chapter, linear equations in two variables. As the name indicates, this is a linear equation and we have two variables. Two variables means x comma y. So what is a linear equation in one variable? What is a linear equation in one variable? Let's take an example. X plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation, and this equation consists of only x. That means only one variable. How you will calculate the solution of this equation? So x equal to, shift this 1 to the other side. That means 0 minus 1. So x equal to minus 1. This is the root or the solution of this linear equation. So the solution is unique, means one and only one solution. So there is only one solution. That means this solution is unique. So that is the speciality of linear equation in one variable. I will take another example. Example 2. The equation is x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Again, this is a linear equation in one variable because there is only one variable called x. How you will find the solution or how you will find the root? So x equal to 0 minus root 2. So x equal to minus root 2. So again, the solution is unique. That means one and only one solution. I will take another example. Root 2y plus root 3 is equal to 0. Again, this equation, this linear equation contains only one variable and the variable is y. This is our variable y. And how we will calculate the solution? So root 2y is equal to 0 minus root 3. So this will be minus root 3. So y is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2. Again, the solution is unique. That means one and only one solution. So next we will enter into linear equation in two variables and its solutions. Okay, again one more example, linear equation in one variable. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Again, this is a linear equation in one variable. There is only one variable x. So how we will calculate the solution? 2x is equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 divided by 2. This is the solution. And this solution is unique, and you can represent this solution on the number line. So for example, here you can see minus 5 by 2. This is called a root or solution, and this solution or a root we can represent on this number line. Okay, so we will start with linear equation in two variable. I will take the same example. X plus y is equal to 176. Here you have two variables, one is x and another one is y. So x plus y is equal to 176. This is a linear equation. This is an example of linear equation in two variables. linear equation in two variables. Second example is 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5. Again, this is a linear equation in two variables because this equation contains two variables, right? S and t. S and t are the two variables. Third example, p plus 4q is equal to 7. This is a linear equation in two variables, and the two variables are p and q. Fourth example, 5u plus 5v is equal to 9. Again, this is a linear equation in two variables, and the variables are u and v. U and v are the two variables. Fifth example, 3 equals root 2x minus 7y. Again, this is a linear equation in two variables, and the variables are x and y. So there is a standard equation, or there is a standard form of linear equation. What is the standard form? What is the standard form of linear equation? What is the standard form of linear equation in two variables? So the standard equation is very important. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. And from this equation, you can see there are two variables, x and y. X and y are the two variables. And we have conditions a, comma b not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, what happens? If a equal to 0, first term becomes 0. That means the equation becomes by plus c equal to 0. That is a linear equation in one variable, not two variables. Similarly, if b equal to 0, the second term becomes 0. So the equation becomes ax plus c equal to 0. So again, that will be a linear equation in one variable. So there is a condition, very important, a comma b not equal to 0. A comma b not equal to 0. So this is the standard form of a linear equation, two variables. Okay, so next we have equations given. You have to write the given equation in the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 4.37. So you have to write this equation. So first term is what? First term is ax. So here ax is 2x plus second term is y time, that means by. So here second term is by plus c. Okay, so here the constant term is on the RHS. Shift this to the left side. That means minus 4.37 equal to 0. And then write what is the value of a. A means the coefficient of x. That means 2. A equal to 2. And b is the coefficient of y. That is equal to 3. And c is equal to the constant term minus 4.37. This is the answer. Second equation, x minus 4 equals, second equation, x minus 4 equals root 3y. So first term is x term. So x means 1x. Okay, 1x. Then shift the y term to the left side. That means minus root 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Then we can write what is a. A means the coefficient of x. So a equal to 1. B equals coefficient of y. That means minus root 3. And c is equal to the constant term, that is minus 4. So the value of a equal to 1 and b equal to minus root 3 and c is equal to minus 4. Question number 3. So the equation is 4 equals 5x minus 3y. So I am shifting this to the 5x minus 3y to the left side and 4 to the right side. So the equation becomes 5x minus 3y is equal to 4. So the first term is x term minus second term is y term. Then shift 4 to the left side. So minus 4 equal to 0. So what is the value of a? A is the coefficient of x, that is 5. B is the coefficient of y, that is minus 3. And c is equal to the constant term, that is minus 4. This is the answer. Then fourth question. 2x is equal to y. So 2x, shift y to the left side. 2x minus y, there is no c term. So I can write plus 0 is equal to 0. So a will be the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 2. And b is equal to coefficient of y minus 1 and c equal to 0. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 0. Okay. So example 2, write each of the following as an equation in two variables. So x equal to minus 5. This is the equation given. We should write this equation in two variables here. Here there is only one variable now. Now there is only one variable. So I can write x plus there is no y. So I can write 0y. 0y. 0y, shift this minus y to the left side. That means plus 5 equal to 0. So x plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0. So a equal to x means 1x. So the value of a is 1, b equal to 0, and c is equal to 5. Then second question. Second question is y equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. So the first term is x. So there is no x term. There is no x variable, x term, right? So I can write 0x plus 1y. Shift this 2 to the left side. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 2. Then question number 3, 2x is equal to 3. So 2x, there is no y term, so that means plus 0y. Shift 3 to the left side, minus 3 equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 2, the value of b is equal to 0, the value of C is equal to -3. Then question number 4, 5y is equal to 2. 5y is equal to 2. So first term is x term, there is no x term, so I can write 0x plus 5y, shift 2 to the left side, minus 2 equal to 0. So a equal to 0, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to -2. Next, exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook. So cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Twice means 2 times. So 2 into cost of pen. Write a linear equation in 2 variables to represent this statement. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X. So this cost of this notebook is rupees X, and that of a pen to be rupees Y. So the cost of pen is rupees Y. So I can write X equals 2 times 2 into Y. So X equal to 2Y. X equal to 2Y, right? So I can write X minus 2Y equal to 0. So this is a linear equation in how many variables? 2 variables. The question is write a linear equation. You have to write a linear equation in 2 variables. So the 2 variables are X and Y. This is a linear equation. X minus 2Y equal to 0. The second question, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and indicate the values of a, b, and c in each case. So first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. What is 9.35 bar? We already studied this in the first chapter, number systems. 9.35 bar means 5 is repeating, right? 5, 5, 5. 5 is repeating like this. That is the meaning. First of all, write this equation in the standard form. What is the standard form? 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to 3, and the value of c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Second question. Second question is x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Second question, this one. X minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. So x I can write 1x minus this y by 5 I can write minus 1 by 5 y minus 10 equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to minus 1 by 5, and the value of c is equal to minus 10. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the value of a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 by 5, and c is equal to minus 10. Next question. Okay. Next question. Third question. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So I can write minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So a equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 6. Next question, x equal to 3y. So x equal to 3y, this is our equation. So x, shift this 3y to the left side. So x minus 3y, there is no c term. So plus 0 equal to 0. So x means 1x, right? So the value of a is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to minus 3. And the value of c equal to 0. Next is 2x equal to minus 5y. 2x is equal to minus 5y. So shift this term to the left side. So 2x plus 5y, there is no c term, so 0 equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 2, b equal to 5, and c equal to 0. Then the next term is, next equation is 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So 3x plus, there is no y term, so I can write 0y plus 2 equal to 0. So a equal to 3, b equal to 0, and c is equal to 2. Next equation, so which equation? 2x, I think 2x equal to minus 5y, right? Yes. So 2x plus 5y plus 0 equal to 0. The fifth equation, right? Yeah, 2x equal to minus 5y, so 2x plus 5y plus 0 equal to 0. So a equal to 2, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 0. Then sixth question, sixth equation, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x, there is no y term, so 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. So a equal to 3, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 2. Then y minus 2 equal to 0. So there is no x term, so I can write 0x plus y means 1y minus 2 equal to 0. So a equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 2. And the last question, 5 equal to 2x. So I can write 2x is equal to 5. There is no y term, so 2x plus 0y, shift 5 to the left side, minus 5 equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 2, the value of b is equal to 0, and the value of c is equal to minus 5. So next is we have to calculate the solutions of a linear equation. So consider the equation 2x plus, so consider this equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, so find the solution. So solution means what? Solution means find the value of x and find the value of y. So let's take, I'm taking if x equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, I am taking. Okay, so just to substitute these two values here, first we can check. So the value of x is 3, so that means 2 into 3, right? So 2 into 3 plus 3 into what is y? Y is 2. Okay, what is that? So 3 into 2, 6, plus 3 into 2, 6. What is 6 plus 2? 12. So 12 is equal to 12, right? So 12 is equal to 12. So we will get left hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that means I can say these two values are the solution, are the solution of this equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, I'm taking another value. So if x equal to, okay, this is solution 1. Okay, I'm taking another value if x equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. If x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. So 2 into x is 0 plus 3 into y, right? So that means 3 into 4. What 2 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 3, 12. That is equal to 12. Again, left hand side 12 is equal to 12. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is another solution. In the beginning of this chapter, we studied about linear equation in one variable, right? Linear equation in one variable means there is only one solution. There is only unique solution. There is only one solution. But here, if the equation is linear equation in two variables, here there are more number of solutions, not only one solution, there are more number of solutions. So this is solution number one, this is solution number two. So let's take, I'm taking another example, sorry, another solution. Okay, I'm trying another solution. If x equal to 6 and y equal to 0, what happens? So 2 into 2x. So the value of x is 6 plus 3 into y is 0. So 6 into 2, 12 plus 3 into 0 is 0. So that means 12. Again, we will get left hand side equal to right hand side. 12 is equal to 12. So this is again the solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. That means, so what is the meaning of this? So this means a linear equation in two variables is having more than one solution. That means infinite number of solutions. This is very important. Hmm. So this is very important. So I'm highlighting here. So a linear equation in two variables, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Very important. So this is very important statement. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. Okay. So we will try one example. Find four different solutions of the equation x plus 2y equal to 6. So this is our linear equation in two variables, x plus 2y equal to 6. Find four solutions. Four solutions. Okay. So first I'm checking with uh, x equal to 0 and y equal to 6. Okay, in this equation, sorry, y equal to y equal to not 6, y equal to 3. Okay, y equal to 3. Then only I will get the 6, right? So x equal to 0 means 0 plus 2 into what is y? Y is 3. So what is that? 0 plus 2 into 3 is 6. So 0 plus 6 equal to 6. So we will get 6 equal to 6. So this is a solution. X equal to 0, y equal to 3 is a solution. Okay, so one more solution. we need four solutions required, right? So second one, x equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Try this. So x equal to 2 means so 2 plus 2 into y is 2. So that means 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. What is 2 plus 4? 6. So 6 equal to 6, right? So left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the second solution. And try third one. X equal to 6, y is equal to 0. So x equal to 6. So that means 6 plus 2 into y is 0. So 6 plus 2 into 0 is 0. So 6 plus 0 is 6. So 6 equal to 6. So this is the third solution. And the fourth one, x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. Try this. So like this, you can put the value, you can put any value into this equation so that LHS is equal to RHS. So x equal to 4. So that means 4 plus 2 into y is 1. So 4 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 equal to 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So these are the four solutions of the given equation x plus 2y. So this is our equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. And these are the solutions. We already studied a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So here we calculated only four solutions. Another example. Okay, so another example, find two solutions. So calculate two solutions only. Okay, calculate two solutions for each of the following equations. So we have three equations. First, we will start with the first equation. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, so if first I am putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. Okay, so check here. So 4 into x, what is x? X is 0 plus 3 into what is y? 4. 4 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 3, 12. So 0 plus 12 is 12. So 12 is equal to 12. LHS is equal to RHS, right? So this is a solution. X equal to 0, y equal to 4 is a solution of the given equation. Then the second solution, x equal to 3, y equal to 0. So 4 into 3 plus 3 into 0. 4 into 3, 12 plus 3 into 0, 0. 12 plus 0 is 12. So 12 is equal to 12. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the second solution. X equal to 3, y equal to 0. Okay, so we will start with the second equation. So we need only two solutions. Okay, second equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. So first we will start with, if I am putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0, because RHS is 0, right? So 2 into x is 0 plus 5 into y is 0. 2 into 0, 0 plus 5 into 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. So 0 is equal to 0, right? LHS is equal to RHS. So this is a solution of the given equation. 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Then next I am taking another one, x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 by 5. So 2 into x is 1 plus 5 into y is minus 2 by 5. So what is 2 into 1? 2. Then 5 cancel. So 2 plus into minus. So 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2? 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So these are the two solutions of the given equation. 2x plus 5y equal to 0. Then coming to the third equation. So coming to the third equation, 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So first solution. So I am taking x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4 by 3. So So 3 into what is y? X is 0, y is minus 4 by 3, right? So minus 4 by 3 plus 4 equal to 0, right? So this 3 cancel. So minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. What is minus 4 plus 4? 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the solution of the given equation 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is x equal to 0, y equal to minus 4 by 3. Then the second solution, x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 4 by 3. So 3 into what is y? Minus 4 by 3, right? Plus 4 equal to 0. There is no x value, right? There is no x means 0x. That means 1 into 0 is 0. So this 3 cancel. So minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So 0 equal to 0. So this is the solution. This is the second solution of the given equation. 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Next, we will do the exercise problems. So the first question is what? Which one of the following option is true and why? So y is equal to 3x plus 5. So I am writing this equation like this. 3x plus 5 is equal to y. So 3x, I'm shifting y to the left side. 3x minus y is equal to 5. Sorry. So I'm writing like this. 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is our linear equation. This is our linear equation in two variables, and we know that linear equation in two variables has infinite solutions. Linear equation in two variables has infinite solutions. Okay, so the answer is infinitely many solutions. This is the answer. Unique solution means linear equation in one variable. If the equation is a linear equation in one variable, then there will be a unique solution. There is only one solution. But if the equation is a linear equation in two variables, then the linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Question number 2. Write four solutions. Write four solutions for each of the following equations. So there are three equations, starting with equation number 1, 2x plus y is equal to 7. So solution, I am writing solution here. So we need four solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need four solutions. So first I am writing x equal to 0 and y is equal to 7. So x equal to 0 means 2 into 0 plus y is y equal to 7. 2 into 0, 0 plus 7 equal to 7. So 7 equal to 7. So LHS equal to RHS, right? So this is a solution. Another solution, try this value, x equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. So x equal to 1 means 2 into 1 plus y is 5 equal to 7. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So LHS is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that means this is the solution. X equal to 1, y equal to 5 is a solution. Another solution, try this value, x equal to 3, y is equal to 1. X equal to 3, so 2 into 3 plus so 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to 7. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. What is 6 plus 1? 7 is equal to 7. So LHS is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is a solution. Like that, you can put another value. So let's take another value, x equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So 2 into 2 plus y is 3 equal to 7. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So 7 is equal to 7. That means LHS equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So these are the four solutions of the first equation. Then try the second equation. Next, we are going to try the second equation. Okay, what is the second equation? Yx plus y is equal to 9. This is the second equation. So first I'm trying with x equal to 0 and y is equal to 9. So that means pi into x is 0 plus y is 9 equal to 9. What is pi into 0? 0. So 0 plus 9 equal to 9. What is 0 plus 9? So 9 is equal to 9. So LHS equal to RHS. So this is, so x equal to 0, y equal to 9 is a solution of the second equation. So let's try the second problem, sorry, second solution. So x equal to, put x equal to 1 and y is equal to 9 minus 5. So y into x equal to 1 plus y is 9 minus pi equal to 9. What is pi into 1? Pi into 1 is pi plus 9 minus pi equal to 9. So pi minus pi cancel. So 9 equal to 9. So we will get LHS is equal to left hand side equal to right hand side, right? So this is the second solution. X equal to 1, y is equal to 9 minus pi. Then next x equal to 9 by pi and y equal to 0. Try this value. Try this value. X equal to 9 by pi, y equal to 0. So pi into x equal to 9 by pi plus y equal to 0 equal to 9. So pi cancel. So 9 plus 0 equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So 9 is equal to 9. Again, LHS equal to RHS. Again, LHS is equal to RHS. So the solution is x equal to 9 by 5, y equal to 0. Another one, x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 9 plus 5. Okay, so pi into x is minus 1 plus y is 9 plus 5, that is equal to 9. So pi into minus 1 minus pi plus 9 plus pi equal to 9. So minus pi plus pi cancel, 9 equal to 9. So LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is the another solution. Then next question, check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. This is the equation given and there are solutions given. We have to try whether these are the solutions of the given equation. So first one is 0, 2. So that means x equal to 0. So 0 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. So 0 minus 2 into 2, 4 equal to 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. So minus 4 equal to 4. So here the problem is LHS not equal to RHS. So that means not a solution. This is not a solution. 0, 2 is not a solution. 0, 2 is not a solution of this given equation. Try the second solution, 2, 0. So x is 2 minus 2 into y is 0 equal to 4. So 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0 equal to 4. So 2 equal to 4. Again, this is wrong, right? So this is not a solution. Not a solution. 2, 0, not a solution of the given equation. Okay. Then try the third one, 4, 0. The third one is 4, 0. So x is 4 minus 2 into y is 0 equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 into 0 is 0 equal to 4. So 4 minus 0. So 4 equal to 4. Yes, this is true, right? This is true. That means this is a solution. So 4, 0 is a solution of the given equation. X minus 2y is equal to 4. Then next one, root 2. Okay, fourth one. What is that? Root 2, 4 root 2. Okay. So x is root 2 minus 2 into y. What is the value of y? 4 root 2 equal to 4. So root 2 minus 4 into 2, 8 root 2 equal to 4. Again, LHS not equal to what? RHS. because LHS is root 2 minus 8 root 2, RHS equal to 4. This is not equal. This is wrong. That means this is not a solution. This is not a solution. This is not a solution of the given equation. And the last one, 5, 1, comma 1, right? Fifth question, 1, comma 1. So 1 minus 2 into 1 equal to 4. So 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2 equal to 4. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 equal to 4. Again, this is wrong. This is what? This is wrong, right? So 1 minus 1, not a solution. Not a solution. So there is only one solution. What is that? There is only one solution. What is that? 4, comma 0. So 4, comma 0 is the only solution of the given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 out of the 5 given solutions. Then last question from this chapter, find the value of k. What is the value of k? X equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. Equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution. That means LHS is equal to RHS, right? So we can equate, we can put these values into this equation. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 equal to k. What is k? K is equal to 4 plus 3. So the value of k equal to 7. So this is the value of k. So we finished this chapter. So going to the summary, what is the standard form of a linear equation? I will take another color. Yeah. What is the standard form of a linear equation? Very important. The standard form of a linear equation is linear equation in two variables. The standard form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b not equal to 0. Very important. And a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. So we calculated two solutions, four solutions of different linear equations in two variables. Okay, so that's it. So practice these problems again and again. And if you have any doubt, you can comment your doubt under my video. I will reply as quickly as possible. Okay, so thank you.